Good day to everyone. I'm Mikael Lagado, and on behalf of Mr. Troy Esguerra, Mr. Maron Fabelico, and Mr. Simon Kim, I will be presenting our paper entitled A Corpus Management System for CCS, Advanced Research Institute for Informatics, Computing, and Networking. First, I would like to introduce what a corpus management system is. Corpus management system is a tool specifically designed to organize and group together components of a specific knowledge area or any linguistic corpora, especially that of a language that has a complicated agglutinative morphology. It calls for semantic analysis and lexical components of a certain query in order to group, extract, and display a collection of relevant and related information upon search. It has been used in various disciplines, such as in personal health informatics, knowledge management, and the development of structured literature reviews. Thus, a corpus management system offers research institutes like AdRIC the chance to simplify research tasks, particularly when scanning a large body of knowledge and producing systematic literature reviews. In keeping with the mission and vision of DLSU to be a leading research university, colleges are encouraged to partake in contributing to this mission vision by participating in research laboratories whose role is to support the multidisciplinary research activities in the areas of information and computing technology. Therefore, it is crucial to implement innovations in information technology, such as the development of a corpus management system to make it easier for AdRIC students and staff to ease conducting research, thereby raising research output. Research center heads of AdRIC were given a series of questions to state their main difficulties with conducting systematic literature reviews. Gathering these key challenges have prompted the group to design and develop a corpus management system as an opportunity to meet the desired state of the research centers when writing literature review. And being more specific, the objective of this research is to 1. Understand the current process and determine pain points when conducting literature review from data collection to analysis. 2. Map key challenges with corresponding key modules and functions to address the pain points enumerated. 3. To design a conceptual framework of a corpus management system that is applied in the academic research. And lastly, to develop a corpus management system fit to the systematic literature review process of AdRIC researchers. From the related works, corpus management systems have been used in cultural studies such as preservation of language, knowledge management, and personal informatics, wherein corpus management was applied to allow easier retrieval of user records for the purpose of self-reflection and gaining self-knowledge. Corpus management systems have been applied in several domains, but rarely in the learning and education sector. One of the few is the study of the Faculty of Medicine in the University of Jaffna, where an institutional repository for the Faculty of Medicine was developed to capture, store, and preserve the institution's scholarly output in digital format. Given the limited studies on corpus management systems, the research was conducted using a qualitative research method for requirements gathering and problem analysis. The group first conducted a series of interviews across the different researchers of the AdRIC laboratories to gather pain points in the system. This was then visualized using gap analysis as the problem analysis technique. In order to determine and develop the key functions needed for the proposed corpus management system, the researchers mapped a function obtained from literature review in addressing the gap raised by the researchers. Once these were determined, the development of the system followed the activities of agile methodology, which is divided into the following phases: the requirements phase, system design phase, implementation phase, integration phase, release phase, and the review phase. Constant changes were also applied based on the feedback and suggestions of the stakeholders of the system. From the series of interviews, surveys, and solution activities and benchmarkings, the researchers have concluded the following main modules needed in the corpus management system: the preparation module, collection module, integration module, reflection module, which were aligned in the study of Lee et al., depicting an iterative 5-stage process. The researchers were then able to design a conceptual framework following the model of Lee et al., which contained dimension modules. The preparation module contains features of the harvested metadata and the uploading of literature. Metadata of journals, scholarly articles, and literature reviews from Scopus, AIS, and IEEE were harvested through Publish or Perish, and CSV exports from the corresponding databases. The output metadata was stored into the MySQL database, specifically in the publications table, where each will have a unique primary key. After getting the CSV extract from the academic databases, the researchers will select which among the articles are relevant and to be uploaded in the system. The criteria as to which articles are to be uploaded is based on the expert judgment of the researcher. For instance, in the Game Development Research Center, they have set research tracks such as team development or 3D modeling, which becomes the basis of filtering articles to be uploaded in the system. Some may filter based on discipline. This workaround addresses the system issue on loading time based on the high volume return of articles extracted from all three academic databases, which may reach up to more than 50,000 plus articles. To be able to access and upload the literature, users must register an account and log in. The researchers can also opt to upload their own publications or articles by adding necessary information such as title, author, year, keywords, and the file. The uploaded literature will then have to be approved by an administrator to validate the credibility of the article before it can be accessible through the system. This will be later on be useful if the researcher would like to see research statistics based on data on their own publications. Another key module is the collection module, which contains features such as search, annotations, bookmarks, and user accounts. Registered users will be able to search for a specific topic, author, name, or any keyword in the search bar. This would return articles pulled from the uploaded articles. Users can also create their own folders, and collaborators can be added into the created folders, which will allow the user to view the publications inside and add annotations to each publication. The third module is the integration module, which consists of the tagging feature, allowing the auto-generation of keywords for each publication through web scraping. The article's keywords will be used as the main source, but if it doesn't exist, then the most frequent words from the article will be returned. The natural language toolkit was used to remove and omit irrelevant keywords such as pronouns and articles. For uploaded articles, users are able to log in their own keywords with validation from the administrator. Finally, the reflection module consists of the research analytics uploaded in the system from both the academic databases and researcher uploads. Information such as the number of publications published per year, the number of publications present from each academic database, and the count for each keyword found in the folder are displayed. The system also tracks user queries to display trending titles or keywords. The most viewed keywords can also generate a page which will contain publications that share the same keyword. The analytics will help give the researchers an understanding of the body of knowledge and know the trends with the topic researched. In the example above, the researcher wanted to know about the literature on the topic security. Based on the results, we can conclude that security research is prominent on risk assessments and information security. With this information, researchers can explore writing on limited security topics, such as that of hardware protection or security violation threats. Furthermore, the same information can be concluded with author information by creating a folder specifically analyzing all articles written by the researcher. Other reports for this module include knowing which author is most prominent in the field and which discipline the topic is mostly written about. To run the system, the following hardware and software are needed: 8 GB of RAM, a quad-core processor, Windows version 8 or higher, and an up-to-date internet browser. The system is designed to be accessed through web browsers for desktops. The design follows a responsive approach to cater different resolutions. The system was also programmed using Django, a Python-based web framework, as the developers are more familiar with the Python language. With the use of the proposed system, researchers in AdRIC and the College of Computer Studies will be able to conduct their literature reviews more systematically and efficiently. The repository of the system will be able to help researchers gather publications from 3 different academic databases at once. The system will also be able to help researchers organize their literature by creating folders. Keywords for each publication will also be available for easier navigation. Lastly, the analytics of the system will be able to help generate ideas for possible research areas that could be explored. The group would like to recommend future researchers to address system limitations such as direct collection from the databases and to consider further technical solutions to reduce processing time. Moreover, the action module can also be extended, given that in this study, the researchers found the action module unnecessary as it entailed integration to other business processes that interacts with other external stakeholders. Thank you for listening and have a great day.